Introducing dance tracks.
Because with dance, timing is everything.
Here at Dance Tracks, we believe in instruction that doesn't end in the studio, allowing dancers to practice anytime and anywhere. Our idea is to create customizable application software that helps dance teachers create choreography while providing them with a tool that helps them more easily teach rhythm and dance to their students. With Dance Tracks, instructors can select the song and create a custom rhythm and instruction soundtrack to be placed over top of the chosen song. The dancers can then play this soundtrack anywhere to hear rhythm and instructional commands to know exactly when and how long each dance move is. This technology helps dance teachers to more easily organize and share choreography and makes the process of practicing dances easier on the students. My name's Heather.
My name's Cameron.
My name's Eric.
And
we are working to make this vision a reality.
Through our interviews, we found that customer pains include memorization and knowing what comes next in a dance, absenteeism, difficulties practicing at home because of uncertainties, figuring out new parts of dances, and communication between instructors and dancers. Through our interviews, we found that dancers are not currently utilizing dance applications, but they are open to the possibilities of a helpful dance app. For such an app, dancers prefer the freedom of customizability. Additionally, we found that the main struggle of dancers was memorization and that communication as well as privacy are very important to them. Most payment preferences are for studios to cover the costs. Previously, we had leveled instruction set up so that the instructors would set specific levels for the dances that the students were to progress through, but we pivoted from this original setup. Now the dancers are in control of the level of instruction. Dancers can click commands on and off so that they only hear the commands that they individually still need to work on. We also decided to focus in more on the dance tracks themselves, along with eliminating the excess features such as messaging and calendars. We also decided to add push notifications and file sharing capabilities for the instructors.
Now to address our BMC, under our key partners, we included investment groups to grow capital, lawyers for business, patenting, and licensing, coders for development, and dance organizations for promotion. In key activities, we're working on app development, growing connections in the dance industry, and research to identify our market segment. In key resources, important human resources include coders, lawyers, and investors, funding for the project and operations, licensing of music, and placement in the App Store. Under value propositions, we added push notifications to receive messages, file sharing so dancers can receive videos, communication between instructors and dancers, promoting practice outside the studio and allowing for more repetition, customizability for dancers, intuitive user design, and efficient organization for studios. Customer relations involve connecting with customers and providing support online and in-app, rewarding customers using our service or referring others, and participation at dance-related events. Channels include technology, along with the App Store, our app, website, social media, AdWords, and attendance at conventions and competitions. The customer segments comprise of studios, instructors, dancers, and parents. To date, we have created a customer archetype for both the dancer and instructor. Our cost structure consists of variable costs including advertising, promotions, and music licensing. Fixed costs include development, licensing, salaries, and legal consultations. Finally, our revenue streams are made up of variable subscriptions for studios and groups, acting as an affiliate for complementing services, and as we build a user audience, we hope to incorporate sponsors, such as local businesses and events or national businesses related to dance.
For our MVP, we've been working on making a mock-up app. So here we can see the login screen, but since we're new, we'll go ahead and create a new account. We'll add our studio, put in our account information, and press next. So now we're at the home screen where we see all of our classes and the songs that go along with them. Whenever we click on a song, we can actually go ahead and play that song, or we can see the core feature of Dance Tracks, which is the commands. So on the instructor end, the instructor's gone ahead and added all of these commands throughout the entire track that they want you to work on. Now, as a dancer, I have the ability to push on and push off that command button. So that means whenever I hear the track back, I'll only hear the commands that I wanted to hear. That way, as I learn, I can take things away. Plus, as a dancer, I have the ability to slow down or speed up the recording. Also on this page, we can see any of the files or videos that have been shared with us recently. So if we go to File Share, we can actually see what things have been shared with us individually or what things have been shared to the group for this song. If we go ahead and click on one, say a video, we're able to see the video, we're able to see any of the comments the instructors had for us about it, and we can jot down a few of our own notes. Now if we click on the sandwich menu, we can see our studio's information, we can find our profile information, and we can go ahead and see our settings, see what account we're logged in under, the studios we belong to, and legal. For instructors, there's the Manage Users section. And here they can find tools to share files and to send push notifications, manage users, and they can access all of their classes and all of the songs that are under them. So if we click on a song, we can go ahead and see all of the pertinent information for that and any of the files connected to it. And we can go ahead and design that track by selecting it directly through iTunes, do any of the splicing we need to do, overlay a rhythm, and add our commands. Then we can go ahead and dispatch that to all of our dancers in the class. A few other potential features that we're exploring include an event conflict calendar, as well as reminders, an engagement section for the studio to better connect with parents, messaging for users, payment and class registration in-app for the studio, and public profiles to add a social aspect.
For dancetracks, we plan on researching the market all the way across the United States, and we also plan to start a corporation and look into potential patent options.
The team is also looking to add a CTO on board that's going to be able to help us with developing our app, to be able to make it to the first round of investment.
Together we hope to disrupt the dance industry and change the face of practicing dance as we know it.
Thank you!